Scientists have raised the exciting possibility of a blood test which could detect breast cancer years before any symptoms show up. British scientists have discovered a strong link between the risk of breast cancer and changes in a particular gene found in white blood cells. Medical reporter Sophie Scott explains.
At the moment, mammograms are the gold standard for detecting breast cancer, but they can only pick up tumours once they're large enough to be seen. The dream would be a simple test which could identify which women are at risk of breast cancer years before any cancers are visible. Now that possibility has moved an important step closer.
It's going to be quite important for potentially diagnosis and risk prediction because we can use it to predict people's individual risk. But on top of that, it's also very interesting that we can potentially reverse these changes. So therapies might be developed that can reverse somebody's increased risk of disease.
Researchers from the Imperial College in London analysed 1,380 blood samples from women. 640 of those went on to develop breast cancer. Scientists found the more changes in a particular gene found in white blood cells, the greater the woman's risk of developing breast cancer. These changes can be altered by lifestyle factors such as smoking and alcohol intake.
The potential application of a simple blood test in helping to assess and predict risk could be very significant.
British patient Terrell Shah says an early blood test would have been a godsend.
It'll make a huge difference to women because you'll be able to plan your approach to the disease well before you're faced with the disease and look at options such as hormone treatment, perhaps preventative double mastectomy.
Scientists stress that the research is in its early stages and any blood test is still years away. But they say the findings represent an important shift in how doctors will determine cancer risk in the future. Sophie Scott, ABC News.